Hi everyone, Namaskar, this is Kumar Sharma. First of all, I really want to thank Italian Hindu Union for calling me and Svetlana for these amazing Diwali celebrations and this Diwali festivals. And to perform there was an amazing experience because the love we have gotten from the Italian audiences, it was actually unmatchable and so overwhelming. Thank you so much. We are famous for making the fusion between Kathak, Indian classical dance form, and Bollywood, which is the film industry of India. So, yeah, people are really loving this combination, amalgamation of traditional and modern art forms. If I talk about my journey, it was actually interesting because I started as a singer and I was 3 years old when I gave my first singing performance, and then my dance guruji, he started liking my singing, so he started taking me as a background singer. And then I used to watch him always. He's teaching dance to kids and adults, and then I eventually started developing interest in dance so much that now I'm a full-time dancer. And yeah, after going to Mumbai, I did few reality shows on Indian television, and then my crew, which is of course my heart, Kathak Rockers, we became famous with our videos worldwide. Our videos got famous, and then yeah, we started getting shows, and then I ended up coming at this amazing festival in Italy. There was a time when Bollywood was considered to be the culture of India. People used to see India through Bollywood, but now it is changed. Everything is changed because Bollywood has changed so much, and it's influenced by Western culture so much that today in Bollywood you hardly see Indian dances or Indian dance styles. Very rarely, maybe 50 out of one movie is about Indian culture, about Indian dancing, about Indian singing. So in today's world, if we compare the Indian dances with Bollywood dance, then it's so much difference. Like if I say Kathak and Bollywood dance, it's like you can't even match both of them. Everyone is watching Bollywood, all the youngsters, everyone. So there was a need to connect Bollywood with something, with Indian art forms, so that the youngsters, they also follow the Indian culture as long as they follow the Bollywood also. So then I think the idea came to my mind that maybe I can take the popular tracks and I can put Kathak bowls and the Indian instruments tabla and pakhawaj to them, and make the Bollywood tracks Kathak friendly, so that we can perform the dance style which is influenced by Kathak on such tracks. And the idea became so viral, and my videos got popular like anything. My and Svetlana's videos were viral worldwide, and that's why people started calling us. And I never knew that this idea will became so popular, and it will give us the opportunity to perform in so many parts of the world. So yeah, I'm so happy that so many youngsters are getting inspired by my fusion style, which has so much influence of Indian classical dance and also Bollywood. So this amalgamation of both the styles, it's really nice because at least people are getting inspiration to learn the Indian classical dance form Kathak. And every day I get so many messages on my social media that we have started learning Kathak because of you, and that's the point where I get so emotional and so happy to see that. So yeah, thank you everyone. difference between the art form which I do, which is Kathak, and the other classical dance forms of India like Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi. So there are total 8 classical dance forms in India. So the main difference is the other classical art forms, I think, are comparatively rigid than Kathak, and of course their boundaries are very, very strict. On the other hand, Kathak has so much freedom. It has that structure, of course, we have to follow, but within the boundaries also there is so much freedom to create so many new things. I think that's why in Bollywood also people could, take so much from Kathak but not from the other dance forms, because, this art form, we can amalgamate so many things easily, and we can, create so many new things in it. That's why I think Kathak is getting more popular worldwide, and so I feel so lucky that I started learning Kathak, and Kathak it's not just taught me dancing, but also a lifestyle which is I'm living right now. I want to give this message to everyone that there is any art form. I think it's a blessing from God for all of us, because it can change everything in this world. Thinking of people, lifestyle, of course, which I always say because it has changed so much in me. My Guruji used to say this, that the art form doesn't need mankind, but the humans need art form for their growth, for their enrichment, for the ethics they have, whatever. So I think art helps in everything. Even arts can cure people from the diseases or whatever mental conditions. So the Italian Hindu Union, they have taken a very, very amazing step to call the different artists from the world and to make them perform in Italy for the audiences of Italy. So thank you so much, Italian Hindu Union, for this, and I have to say I totally enjoyed the festival so much. Thank you so much. Namaskar.